My Naija people don't bring no bonga bishop news story. My name Nandehi. Make a sharply yarn on a son to the say it just happened. Now be small something on November 1st, 2024 on Friday as Abuja judge run comot from inside courtroom. The way say they carry some underage children them take on court to come judge their case where federal government they charge the children them for public disturbance, and also they carry Russian flag on August the 10 days end bad government protest where they do for inside Nigeria. As the children them come reach inside court to assist on them come faint after 3 months. We say they don't carry them take put for inside jail, and they never really judge their case. And some of them can't even live finish because they not see food to take chop, and even the clothes where they wear don't dirty finish. As you can see, they've been malnourished. They have not eaten for the past 4 days. They've been kept by the government in detention. These are boys who are between 13, 14 years old. They've not had food, they are malnourished, they are sick. They were slumping in the course of trial in court. You can see how malnourished they are, how sick they are. They've not been fed for days. Now that you don't draw hand for here, they warn Nigerians them against the use of batch of the Nivea black and white invisible roll-on and also deodorant, say because the product to carry one chemical we say it's supposed not there for inside cosmetic products them, and because of that chemical fit affect the reproductive system of human being, we go affect pikin wey dey for inside belly. And on Thursday will be October 31st, 2024. Now NAFDAC come out come yarn this talk. Senator Egbetokun lose guard because of Bianca Ojukwu beauty. The way say Bianca Ojukwu go Senate for clearance after President Bola Ahmed Tinubu nominate him as a minister. As Senator Egbetokun stand up come dey praise Bianca Ojukwu, say she dey very intelligent and she dey very beautiful. Now so Senate President because Ababio come dey tell am say make him focus because social media go come dey carry talk. Come dey talk say who touch my Bianca.
Nobody can fault her qualification to serve this country in any capacity. She's very intelligent, very, very charismatic, and very beautiful. You can see.
Senator Obe, restrict yourself to her resume. All
okay.
Right, we'll go.
Okay, thank you.
We'll go into social media
thank
Google.
you.
I will ask the question: who touched my Bianca?
The Bauchi State Ishba don't arrest one elderly man wey name be Alhaji Bala Mohammed wey go post plenty pictures of his ex-girlfriend there wey be so all of them don't knack pickles before as Ishba arrest them after wey those informal girlfriend them. Some of them say they don't marry, can't go report to take give Ishba. Now make Ishba board can't arrest the man. The top person of Nigeria, a Calabar police wey name be ACP Olumiwa Adejobi don come clear air on top the children the way Calabar police charge they go court to as the talk say any pikin or any child wey don't pass 7 years say they go charge and take go court to say but these children none of them they below 7 years old say now make them they go charge them take go court.
Those that are not criminally liable under the law, those are the people, they are young ones below the age of 7. Once you are more than 7, you can be charged to court. The only thing is that you need to follow certain procedures to do that. But none of them is less than 7. I think the youngest should be 13. The fact that you are a 13-year-old doesn't mean you cannot be charged to court.
33 years old woman one name be Comfort Olajumoke Tinubu don come chook her husband wey be Olusegun Tinubu 39 years old to take fight for inside Ibadan, Oyo State. This gbege happen for Gbeyi inside Adegbayi area of Ibadan around that kind 10 p.m. on Wednesday night, October 30th, 2024. Some part of Rivers State people that don't run come out for inside their house so after we flood pursue them come out from their houses as the flood can carry their house and also scatter their property. But the flood prevention management team for inside Rivers State don't come help come carry them go better place where say they go stay. As the Rivers State government come talk say they go give them food and shelter and also to use them they support them. The Federal Ministry of Health and Social Welfare don't come they hail the effort of security agencies that will say they help to secure the release of Dr. Ganeyat Popola and his nephew will be Folanrimi Abdul wey Omila kidnappers have been kidnapped for 10 months. And on March 8, 2024, 9 the kidnappers them released the husband of Dr. Ganeyat
after they don't negotiate, come pay for the ransom. Atiku Abubakar, the former vice president of Nigeria, don't come dey provoke for President Bola Ahmed Tinubu as he take order economic policy. They made a charge those children, there's 67 of them, they go court, say because they go join body with the end bad government protest. As Atiku come dey talk, say every children them say that they entitled to respect and according to section 11 of the Child Rights Act. And on Friday, will be November 1st, 2024. Now Atiku come out, come yarn this talk. The Economic and Financial Crime Commission on Friday, November 1st, 2024, don't come out come talk. Say they don't torchlight Idris Okuneye, aka Bobrisky, for on top the bribing issue. When he talk, say him bribe the Economic and Financial Crime Commission officials with 15 million naira so they go feed drop in money laundry case. Senator Rabiu Musa Kwankwaso don't control bad mouth to take give federal government and Nigeria Economic Police saying shocktalized to see say they charge 67 children that take go court by Nigerian police say because say they join body to do an ugly protest of the end bad government. As in on the talk, say me federal government say me they focus on Boko Haram and other Mila kidnappers the way they war in Nigeria and make they live underage children them alone. The Nigerian lady one named Johnny Dokon they complain in the bad condition of Ogege area for Sapele Road inside Benin City, Edo State. As she can't talk, say if you go enter Okada, but when you go reach that place, say water plate, you go come down, can't use leg, they trek, they go front, they go, they wait for your Okada. While the Okada rider go, they ride Okada for inside the water before now to go continue the journey.
If you enter back reach this particular spot, you come down, then the back will go they swim inside this water like this. Then you go they walk your own for road they go. To a stage where you can enter your back. But for the now you go just the trek. You just the trek by yourself till you reach this place. Back will carry you for a year.
The Edo State Calabar Police Command they don't yarn. They say they don't arrest the 16-year-old girl wey her name be Aisha Suleiman wey go cook pepper soup, come put poison for inside it for her ex-boyfriend. We make the ex-boyfriend with 4 of the friends them come chop the pepper soup as all of them got hospitalized. Yes, now Bishop News O'Clock. My name is Nanehi. Make una enjoy your day.